It's a beautiful day. That's wrong. It's a beautiful day. That's correct. ඒක ලස්සන දවසක්. It's a beautiful day. ඒක ලස්සන දවසක්. I am agree with you. That's wrong. I agree with you. That's correct. මම ඔබ සමග එකඟ වෙනවා. I agree with you. මම ඔබ සමග එකඟ වෙනවා. I didn't went. That's wrong. I didn't go. That's correct. මම ගියේ නැහැ. I didn't go. මම ගියේ නැහැ. She has many childs. That's wrong. She has many children. That's correct. ඇයට ළමයි ගොඩක් ඉන්නවා.